Have you ever noticed how some people go into a room and immediately command respect without saying anything? And have you ever thought about yourself and every single conversation with your friends, when you try to raise a question or express your ideas, you got rejected by your friends or your colleagues? This is actually everybody's problem. So the people are really accepted or their ideas appreciable or respected, they're not doing something, or it's not about what they say, it's about how they move, how they speak, and how they stand in their body's language. In this today's world, actually, or in this 21st world, people try to judge you before you speak, which is, as a study shows, over 90% of communication is nonverbal. That means before you speak, people try to judge your bodies, which is, your body speak more than or longer than your mouth. So a lot of problems, or a lot of people are made a mistake in this ways. No matter how your idea is strong, or no matter your ideas are really strong, it doesn't matter. If your body is weak, if you really feel nervous, your idea will never let it on air. It doesn't matter how intelligent you are. It's about a body language. Today, I'm gonna give you 5 powerful sacred body language that makes you more persuasive and your life. If you stay with me to the end, you really got it, something benefit and essential point for your life. Really, this is not actually a motivation. This is actually a practical and scientific tips, because body language is a very, very important communication skills. Stay with me till the end. Really enjoy the videos. So if you came to YouTube to watching something meaningful, subscribe our YouTube channel. The first body language that makes you really good communicator, or really that makes you an instantly persuasive person, or that makes your communication attractive, is the power of stillness. Most people think about our persuasiveness came from stillness. They talk faster using different gestures and feeling stillness, but that is completely wrong. The metrics didn't work in that way. The system or the metric work in the opposite side, which is stillness create authority. So a lot of people, when they try to talk, or when they having a conversation with the people, they are feeling nervous, they are touching their face and they playing with their hands. But that is crazy, but that is really the listener understand this purpose, or this person is really unsure. Even if your word is essential or strong, it doesn't matter. If your body stay, or if your body is still different, it doesn't matter. People try to judge within your bodies. As I told you before, in this 21st century, people try to judge me before we speak only in our body. If we make our body really attractive, we make it something different and powerful. If we want to become good communicator, really make your stillness. So practice this stillness every single day and make it really good communicator. The next secret that makes you really good communicator, or that makes you persuasive person, eye contact. I know you hear this voice and every single day or every time, but really it's important that makes you really persuasive person in your journey or in your communication. A lot of people, they made a mistake this when they hear it, because eye contact creates stress that build confidence and everything. But people, when they try to talk, when they having a conversation with someone, they're really talking to the person or watching like a flower or like their phone. But this is completely work or sends nervous, dishonest and differences. The person of the listener understand you, this person is actually dishonest, the conversation is gonna become really terrible. So that's really a lot of people, they made a mistake in this way. If you want to really build good communication, build your eye contact. If you want to really build this body language, practice each day for 3 or 5 minutes. Eye contact is very important. When you try to speak, or when you have a conversation with someone, try to keep prolong your eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds, leave it. And when you listen, keep it longer than when you speak, because at the time of you listen, you don't need any more than energy other speaking time. So that creates stress, confidence, and emotional intelligence. The third body language that makes you really persuasive person or really makes your conversation or your communication attractive is facial expression. This facial expression most people never misuse mislead, because in the time of serious point they smile, and the time of serious or exotic their face is blank. But this is actually weak your conversation or terrible your conversation. If you want to have a good communication in any situation, make it our try to improve this problem for the first time, for the first situation. Then after improving this thing is really your conversation, your communication became really good. So try to use your facial expression to support your ideas as more really. The fourth secret that help you to have a good communication with your partner or with your friends or everything, everything, that makes you really persuasive person is a strong interest and a strong agitator. Most people when they enter into a room, they talking about something with someone, they're touching their phone, they are really distracted. This kill their presence. This is actually similar with the exit one. And if you want to really communicate a person, try to act as a leader or as a CEO of one company. Or a lot of CEO of company, as you see, when they work, they're confidently work, and they don't try to provoke someone. They don't speak with someone. They don't use their phone. They move confidently and avoid speaking at the time of their private speaking. Try to practice this and make your communication attractive. The last and the final secret of body language secret that makes you really good communicator: hand movements. Hand movement is really important than other one, actually, as I told you, because if your hand is really weak or something, it's gonna decrease stress. It's gonna become it's all about something, or it's decrease stress, because hand, a lot of people when they talk about something, when they talk to someone, they put their hands under the table or behind their back or somewhere. But this is actually kill or decrease stress or confidence. If you want to have a good confidence or good communication with your partner, with your friend, with your every person, just use your hands to express your ideas really. If you look to the top videos, a lot of people, most 99% of people, they use their hands to support their ideas. Really, when they use their ideas or when they use their hands, ideas really became more and more. So that's really supportive and ideology. So really, these 5 secrets, 5 body language that makes you really good communicator or improve your communication skill. And which one secret or which one body language you want to choose to apply, or you want to really interested to doing. So leave through the comment, I will read it. And if you are here on the YouTube to watching something meaningful, please subscribe. If you are interested by our content or the video, please like the video and share for your friends. This is Kenix. What would you prefer to watch next? Leave on the comment, I will read it and I bring a content on that.